Hello everybody, my name is Maximus and today I'm going to show you how to make this birdie. See? Like a stop motion birdie thingy that I made. Looks pretty cool. So the materials that you're going to need is wire and plier cutter and pliers that have wire cutters on them. You could just use separate tools, but I use these ones. Let me check how long. Okay, so it has a long beak. So for the beak, what you're gonna need to do is get out a piece, bend it about this long, then do this, do another one. You can do this with your hands because it's quite easy. But with your with this, you can just flatten it out, twist it over and over again. Twist it, flatten it, to make just one thicker wire. Okay, and then you're just gonna wrap this bit around here in like the center. Now you gotta wrap it around one more arm. I gotta fix this. Gotta tighten it more just to make it super tight. Okay, now I got the head. I want to make a nice neck size like this. Nice neck. Then you want to make the arms like about, how long did I make them? Yeah, about this long. So you're just going to do this. Then you want to turn it around the neck about twice. Okay, now you just want to twist it. You can, use the pliers. Gotta twist. Gotta squish this bit at the end. Just gotta twist it. See? Now he has one wing. He doesn't really look like a birdie right now though. So what you want to do is take out another piece, try to measure it a little slimmer, but not as long, because when you squish it, it's gonna be like this is what you do. Yeah, and you just wanna do this again. You wanna tighten it at the end just by squishing it like. Then you can like move it over and start just twisting it over and over again. Okay, that's about good. Then you just want to wrap it around 2 more times. Now he has his wings. Make a reasonable body length. I'd use about this much. Like, see where that bend is? That big bend. That's so much. And then for the first leg, you want to move it along a little. Then you just do, bend it in like this. And you can start working on the leg. You can do basically these leg thingies. These are not legs. The claws, talent things. Pretty easy. They're just simple. Just like making tiny wings. But you gotta make 3 of them. So you make this one like this. You can. I don't know if you want to make it different sizes. It's gonna look weird. but you could if you were trying to make it look weird. So now he has 2 little talents. Now you're going to want to go like this. Make one shorter than the others. Well, actually it can be longer because it'll be underneath the foot. Just do the same thing. Pretty easy. And then you can just do the twisty method again. Get on the leg. First you want to, you can twist it with your pliers or with your hands. And now you got this. You have like 1 claw, so you're just gonna try to make them like you would if you were gonna make a human. So like trying to make them the same lengths, yada yada, all that stuff. So just repeat it on the other side. That's our other birdie that I made earlier that we're trying to copy. He looks cool. You want to make sure these things last long because I tell you, the wire's not the strongest thing ever. It's not, for stop motion, you're going to have to be moving it around over and over again. It's like once you get ball and socket and hinge joints, those things will never break unless you break them. They like never break from bending because eventually the wire will break. But if you have these, if you have the ball and socket and hinge joints, they're like building with Legos. Pretty, or like it's like building a body by actual bone bits. It's cool having those, and plus you can make crazy designs and have really long things that can stand up. Okay, now we got 2nd leg done. We're almost done. You don't really need to add a tail because this is, remember, you're going to put stuff around this. Oh no, I got it in dirt. Oh, there we go. So you're just gonna twist, twist, twist. There. Moving. Just gonna twist it. There's a notification that person uploaded. And then for the body, you want to make everything double thick. So, especially for the chest, you're just gonna go around like once. You can twist with that, but okay, now you cut it with this, with the wire cutter bit. Cut the wire. You can still bend it a little more. Get it just there. Okay, now you want to make your things bent properly. Just double check with the bentness. You just want to go back, then go. This is how you make the bird swing. Want to go back a certain number, go forward a certain number, then just go to the side. And here you have it. A beautiful birdie. Ah! Isn't it cool? And you can use this in stop motion and put some stuff around it so it looks like an actual bird. Bye!